description text, there are language features. First is simple present tense. Descriptive text generally uses the simple present tense because it describes facts or general condition. For example, tape has a sweet taste and soft texture. And second example is the color is usually white or yellow. And then the adjectives. Adjectives are used to describe the qualities or characteristics of something. Example, savory, fresh, clean, soft, delicious. And the example sentence like sushi has a savory and fresh taste. Okay, I want Ilham. Can you read this text?
Alright. Tape is traditional food from Bondowoso, East Java. It is made from fermented cassava. Tape has a sweet taste and soft texture. The color is usually white or yellow. Many people like tape Bondowoso because it is delicious and unique. People usually eat it as a snack or souvenir.
Okay, thank you, Ilham. And can you guess what the identification and the description in this text?
Description.
Okay, Fazirul. What which one is description and which one is identification?
The identification is tape is traditional food from Bondowoso, East Java. It is made from fermented cassava. And the
Okay.
description is the tape until the end.
Okay, thank you, Fazirul. Let's check the answer. Yeah, the identification in sentence 1 and the description in sentence 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 and others. Yeah, because the first sentence is say about the where tape comes from, and the other sentence is talk about describe the tape. Okay, next is
Descriptive text.
okay.
Rendang. Rendang is a traditional Indonesian.
Wait.
Descriptive text. Rendang. Rendang is a traditional.
Okay. Next we will listen and look at the video about rendang.
Okay. Rendang.
Wait. Sorry.
Descriptive text. Rendang. Rendang is a traditional Indonesian dish from West Sumatra. It is usually made from meat cooked in coconut milk and various spices. Rendang has a dark brown color and a rich aromatic flavor. The meat is tender because it is cooked slowly for several hours. Many people enjoy rendang because it is delicious and represents Indonesian culture.
Okay, before I start the video, please. Okay, thank you. Okay, in this video and about the rendang, do you like rendang?
Yes.
Yes. Why you like rendang?
Colorful. Colorful.
Because yeah, very good, flavorful, very good, delicious, right? Okay, next is the descriptive text about rendang. Okay, I want to Ajeng. Can you read the text?
Rendang is a traditional Indonesian dish from West Sumatra. It is usually made from beef, cooked in coconut milk and various spices. Rendang has a dark brown color and a rich aromatic flavor. The meat is tender because it is cooked slowly for several hours. Many people enjoy rendang because it is delicious and represents Indonesian culture.
Okay, thank you, Ajeng. And I want to ask which sentence is identification and which sentence the description.
The first sentence is
Yeah, Ajeng.
The first sentence is identification, and the second until the end is description.
Okay, thank you, Ajeng. Let's check out to the answer. Yeah, this identification in sentence 1 and description in other sentence 2, 3, 4, and 5. Give applause to the Ajeng.
Ayo lanjut.
Okay, sushi. I want to Okay, thank you, Fazil.
Sushi is from Japan or Korea?
Yes, 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 of course. Yes, please. Okay, please do the worksheet quietly.
Oh,
Thank you. 5-0, okay. Are you done, right? Okay. Let Zaka do the worksheet.
Done.
Okay.
Done.
Okay, thank you. Yes. That means kok gak minum ya? Oh iya.
Oh iya.
Sorry miss.
Please be nice.
Sing santun ya teman-teman.
Wow. Today you all doing a great job. Now it's true and false. Yeah.
Yes, please do.
Let's go. Let's go.
Benar atau salah? True or false?
I'm sorry, miss. We make sure the quiz. Okay. First sentence. Tape is from Bondowoso is Java. Is true or false?
True.
Okay, let's check out. Yes.
Yes.
True. Yeah, that's true. Okay. Second. Rendang is from West Sumatra.
Nah.
Let's check the answer. Yes, correct. 3. Sushi is from Japan.
Nah.
Okay, let's check this. Benar. Yes,
Yeah.
correct. Tape and the fourth sentence. Tape, rendang, and sushi is from the same place.
No.
Yes.
Oh.
Let's check the answer.
Check it wrong.
Yes, it's false. Stop. Okay. For the last session, the reflection, what we learned today.
Descriptive text.
Descriptive text. And what important points that you get in this lesson. Food,
Describe.
describe food,
Identification and description.
identification and description, the structure of the descriptive text, and how about the culture about the several foods, because there are several foods from different places.
Yes, looks delicious. I want to try it all.
Okay. Yeah, good idea. Yes. And yeah, we must to respect its places, because they have their uniqueness to make the food, right?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, the conclusion is foods from different cultures are unique, and we must respect every culture through learning English in this lesson like this. Okay, thank you everyone for your participation today. And for the next meeting, I want you to learn about several and many foods from different places. In different places in the world, right? Okay. And thank you for your participation and attention, and do a great job today. Keep